Good morning students. In our last class we had learned the rules of sets, the methods of writing a set, and by now you might have by hearted all the symbols that was associated with those terms of the set. So now we are going to start solving the practice set 1.1, but before that there is a table. We are going to solve the table. Page number 3. Look at the table. The first one is done for you. Second one, b is equal to x, is that x is a perfect square number between 1 to 20. Now which are the square numbers from 1 to 20? You know the square table, you all have studied it last year. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, so on. So these numbers 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. These are all perfect squares. You want how many from between 1 to 20? Between 1 to 20 means 1 and 20 is not included. Let us start. First, how do we write? What are the rules? You have to write the name of the set. This is the table sum. The second one. Write the name of the set. The name is given to you in the set builder form B. So use the same name, equal to. Open the brace bracket. Now, what are the elements of this set? All perfect squares between 1 to 20. Which are they? 1, 2 square, 4, 3 square, 9, 4 square, 16, 5 square, 25. But they are saying between 1 to 20. So, 25 will not come. It is about 20. Close the bracket. So, we have included the elements. The next one, C is equal to A-E-I-O-U. So name of the set is C. Now they have given it in listing method. You have to write in set builder form. How to write in set builder form? All the vowels you have to assume as a letter X. So you will first put the brace bracket X. Now go on to describe what is X. X is a vowel of the English alphabet. The next one, D is equal to Y, such that Y is a color in the rainbow. Now, you know the colors of the rainbow. Which are the colors of the rainbow? You know the acronym, VIBGYOR. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. So you have to do that on your own homework. The next one, first, second, third, fourth, fifth one. P is equal to X, so that X is an integer, and we have already known how to read this. X is between -3 and 3. I have given you in the symbols, studying the symbols. So you have to tell the numbers between -3 and 3. So what is the name of the set? P is equal to. Open the bracket. Tell me all the integers which is between -3 and 3. There is no equal to sign between less than. That means -3 and 3 are not included. Now you can draw the number line and find out which are the numbers. Here it is 0, 1, 2, 3. And here -1, -2, -3. Which are the numbers which are coming between -3 and 3? -3 and 3. Which are the numbers? -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Close the bracket. Okay. So now we go to the next one. M is equal to 1, 8, 27, 64, 125. Okay, when you are looking at these numbers, what do you feel? What kind of numbers are they? 1, 8. Anything coming to your mind when you hear the number 8, 27, 64? What are they? They are cubes of numbers. You all have studied cube table also last year. 1 cube is 1. 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64, 5 cube 125 and so on. So let us write, we have to write in set builder form. In set builder form, we assume the member as x. Now we have to explain what is x. X is a cube. Or we can better write it as x equal to a cube, let us write down, where a belongs to natural numbers. These numbers are infinite. You can see dot 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 dot, it's never ending. So that means we have to write x is equal to, let that number be a cube, and a belongs to natural number. Now you list it and see if you are getting it. Now which are the natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now, so when you put here 1 cube, you are getting the first number as 1. Yes. When you put the next natural number 2, 2 cube is 8. So you are getting it. 3, 3 cube, so on, it will be infinite. So it's correct. Copy it. Students, you are familiar with the number systems. The sets of number system. You have to learn them by heart. So I have written there, remember, natural numbers denoted by letter capital N. What are natural numbers? Counting numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, infinite. The next number system is whole number denoted by W. How is it different from natural number? One extra number is a 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. infinite again. Integers, very easy. You have to remember the number line. How is the number line? Middle 0. Right side all positive numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4 goes on and on, infinite, and left hand side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, again here infinite. So just remember the number line. I, or another word for another letter for integer is Z. You tell Z also. Next, rational numbers denoted by Q. This is what you all had studied last year. It is denoted in the set builder form like this, P upon Q. Upper ka P, niche ka Q, both belongs to set of integers, and the denominator should not be 0 because division by 0 is meaningless. P upon Q is a rational number. Whenever you can express any number as something upon something, upon. So whenever that word comes, something upon something, no? And then that P upon Q, here they have that something they have written as P and Q, and they belong to the set of integer. From this set you have to remember, take any two numbers and write it as something upon something. That P upon Q is a rational number. Okay, so these four set of numbers you all studied by heart. You have already know it, just revise it and write it down in your notebook. Now whenever I am saying write down, no, you pause the video and write it down. Okay students? Let us go to practice set 1.1. Page number 3. Write the following sets in roster form. First one is homework. Set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. Second one. What are the even prime numbers from 1 to 50? You know, you can pick up the even prime numbers. What are the numbers from 1 to 50 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to 50. And from there the prime numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 11. Those numbers. Let us, okay, first, second one we will try it. Let's give name to the set. A is equal to set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. Okay. What are prime numbers? Let us write the prime numbers here separately first. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and so on. Now from this, which are prime numbers? There is only one prime number. Remaining all numbers are odd. So that means you get A is equal to 2. Third one is set of negative integers. Name the set. B is equal to Negative integers. Okay, tell me the negative integers. You know the number line. Which are the negative integers here? All that is starting from -1, -2, -3. So -1, -2, -3 and so on. It's an infinite set. Fourth one is 7 basic sounds of a sargam. You know that. What are the 7 basic sounds of a sargam? Those who are interested in music can tell me at once. Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Da, Ni. And then Sa comes. You cannot repeat anything. So, in a set, members are not repeated. So, here, these are the 7 sounds. Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Da, Ni. Question number 2. Write the following symbolic statements in elements in words. Now, this I am going to give you homework because already yesterday I had given you the table, the last lesson of the symbols. Third one, you can see I can discuss the third one. P is equal to P such that P is an odd number. Turn the page, go to page number 4. Question number 3. Write any two sets by listing method and by rule method. Now this is homework. You can write any two set of your choice. Question number 4. Write the following sets using listing method. Question number 4. Let us try that. Page 4. Exercise 1.1 continued. Question number 4. Write the following set using listing method. All months in the Indian solar year. Now, which are the months in the Indian solar year? You have already studied Chaitra, Vaishak, Jyeshta, Ashad, Shravan, Bhadra, Ashwin, Kartik, Agrahayan, Paush, Magh, Falgun. Please write down all this. How many months are there? 12 months. So, all these 12 months you have to write down. Question number 4, second one. Letters in the word complement. So, how do we begin? Write the name of the set. B. This is listing method. Each and every member gets the importance. Complement. So, in this complement, let us first underline the letters which are repeated. Which letter is repeated? C is not repeated, O is not repeated, M is repeated. Then P, no, L is not repeated, E is repeated, E, N is not there, T is not repeated. So the numbers we have seen the rule for writing a set, you can never repeat a member. So write down the other members C, O, M, P, L, E, then M is repeated, again E is repeated, N and T. N and T. Close the bracket. The next sum, third one, set of human sensory organs. Which are the human sensory organs? Give a name of the letter or the name to the set first. Which are your sensory organs? You know your sensory organs: nose, ears, eyes, tongue, skin. 5 sensory organs. You have studied in science. Write it down. Nose, ears, eyes, tongue, skin. Close the bracket. The next one, set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. Name the set. D is equal to Which are the prime numbers from 1 to 20? Actually, you have to study prime numbers from 1 to 100 by heart, so that your this thing goes fast. Your calculations and your mathematical solutions, when you're writing, no, it will write way over fast. Instead of thinking whether one goes prime number, definition of prime number, instead of thinking that was studied by heart. So now here we are having prime numbers from 1 to 20. So which are the prime numbers from 1 to 20? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Close the bracket. Fifth, name of the continents of the world. Give a letter of the name for the set E. Open the brace bracket. Which are the continents of the world? You have to, you know, in your geography you have studied all continents. We are situated in Asia continent. So which are the continents? Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, Antarctica, South America, and North America. Close the bracket. Okay. So that's, we have finished with the fourth one. Now let's go to the next, the fifth one. Write the following set using the rule method. We continue page 4 only. Question number 5. Write the following set using rule method. They have given us A as 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100. Okay. Now, let us write, we have to write this in rule method. Okay. So, look at these numbers properly. What do you feel those numbers are? Yes, you are right. They are all squares. First thing. Next, what kind of numbers are they? All are natural numbers. Yes, that also is true. Next, what you can see, they start from 1 and they end 100. So, all these three conditions should be written in the set builder form. Okay. So, we will have, let us write in the set builder form now. A is equal to, in set builder form, you know, we have to assume x such that, now go on to describe x. What is x? X is a square. X is a perfect square, rather we will say. X is a perfect square. So we have included this. And x belongs to which numbers? Natural numbers. X belongs to natural numbers. Now we have to mention from where it's starting and where it is ending. So that you will write as 1 less than equal to, let us write, because it's starting from 1, it is including 1. X less than equal to 100. Whenever you have doubt, no, you list it back again and see whether you're getting these numbers. Then you are right. So these are all perfect squares between 1 and 100. 1 and 100 is also included. When you're listing, you will get the same things. Clear? Let's go to the next one. Second sum. Fifth, second. What is the second sum? They have given b is equal to 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. Okay. Now let us try to understand what are these. What do you feel they are? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Yes, you are right. Table of 6. So table you can also write as multiple. Multiple of 6. And multiple of 6 is of course a natural number, so you don't have to write that. Then what else? They are starting from 6 and ending 48. So now let us write it down in the set builder form. B is equal to x such that x is a multiple of 6. We have written the first one, and where it is starting from 6 and ending in 48. Six and 48 are included. Third sum. C is equal to S M I L E. This is very easy. How can you write it in this? C is equal to X such that X is a letter of the word smile. Fourth and fifth, let us discuss. D is equal to Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, what are they? Correct. They are days of the week. So how will you write? D is equal to X, so that X is a day of the week. And last fifth, X is equal to A, comma, E, comma, T. What are they? They are also letters of some word. Which word they form? T-E-A-T, they can form A-T-E. 8 also it can form. E-A-T, it also you can form. So you can write down any of those. X is equal to X, that X is a letter of the word T or 8 or whatever. Eat. Anything you can write. So fourth and fifth homework. Children, after this you watch a video which will be shown on the different types of sets. And please do the homework and do the sums, repeat the sums done. Thank you.